Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT ma'am. How are you, children? Are you all fine there? Okay, good. Stay safe, children. Yes, children, in our last class, we have discussed about two different computer languages. Which are they, children? Machine language and assembly language. And I hope it is clear to you, right? Yes. So today, let's discuss more about high level language and fourth generation language. Okay? This is the next language, that is high level language. As we know, we have some limitations while using the first two languages, that is machine language and assembly language, and that leads to the development of high level language, which is simple and user friendly, which means it is easy to understand by us. So just like our English language, and it is totally machine independent language, which is not dependent on machine, and it is quite similar to our English language. For example, some popular languages are Basic, C, C++, Java, etc. So these all are examples of high level language. And children, as we know, the computer can only understand the programs written in machine language. So whatever written in other languages has to be converted into machine language, and for that process we need translator programs, which means the program which is used to translate high level language into machine language. And two types of translators are interpreter and compiler. Children, in our last class we have learned that assemblers were used to convert the assembly language into machine language program. And here interpreters and compilers are used to convert high level language into machine language program. And this language is also known as third generation language, as it is used in third generation computers. So let's learn more about interpreter and compiler. Children, while we are writing programs, there will be so many lines of codes to execute. So here the translator program interpreter translates the codes line by line, then execute the instruction and repeat that procedure for the remaining codes. So whenever there is error in one line, it has to be removed immediately. And the translated program, it is not stored anywhere, so it is only generated at the time of execution. That's why it has slow execution speed, and it is generally preferred for beginners. But in the case of compiler, it translates the whole program at once. So the execution speed is high compared to the interpreter, and it generates the object code along with the list of errors. So it is not translating the program line by line, it is translating the whole program at once. So it generates the machine language program, that is our object code, very fast as compared to interpreter. And next comes the fourth generation language, which are very closer to human language, because in this kind of programming it includes statements which are more closer to human language. And some examples of this language include Perl, SQL, Python, etc., which are mainly used for database programming. And the features include higher user friendly and independent of any operating system, which means it is easy to program using this language, that is fourth generation language, and it is used in fourth generation computers. and it has very high speed of execution, and it is mainly designed to reduce the level of programming efforts, which means it takes only less time to develop those softwares, as it is human friendly language. Children, in your textbook you can see a mini version of features of different languages are given. So read your textbook and learn it. Okay, and let's know more session is also included in your textbook to know more about different things like different languages, softwares, etc. So read your textbook and just learn it. Okay. Yes, children, that's all about our first chapter, computer language. And I hope every topics are clear to you, right? Yes. And I have attached all the answers of text exercise questions along with this class. Write it and learn it. Attend the review test and send your answers. So that's all for today. Let's see in the another class with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye.